Yes, my people, welcome back to Trouble Turn Up TV. So guys, as you can see, so many videos going around on social media. People are doing videos to show the aftermath of Melissa, Hurricane Melissa, and the disaster that it left behind. Jamaica is in a total mess. Now, so my viewers, in this video, this young lady doing a video of her aunt's house, and it's showing her the damage caused by Hurricane Melissa.
Because we have to probably talk to our counselor into it, that she start believe, say it really the damage. But they can take look up on the phone, I'll take some picture and probably share with the person too.
Yeah man, tell Aunty Mali.
Yeah.
I give you Mali number.
Just because I know, you know.
Yeah, uncle, yeah man, you know.
Some people don't reach out to buy this man.
I said, my friend, me see her come back. My friend, me see her come. You don't find him? On the table, you mean there? In your room? Eh? It up on the table. It was on the table, Greg. Clean up. May I come?